Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a resume format. First, select a clean and professional layout that's easy to read. Make sure your contact information, including phone and email, is prominent. Craft a compelling professional summary to quickly highlight your key skills and experience. Then, detail your work history, focusing on accomplishments in each role. For optimal readability, choose a professional font such as Arial or Calibri, typically in a size between 10 and 12 points. Consistency is key. Ensure all headings and bullet points follow the same style. Set your page margins to 1 inch on all sides for a balanced look. Generally, keep your resume to 1 page or 2 pages if you have extensive experience. To make your resume stand out, always tailor its content to the specific job you're applying for. Use powerful action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements, like managed or developed. Integrate keywords directly from the job description to improve its visibility. Whenever possible, quantify your accomplishments with numbers, such as increased sales by 15% or managed a team of 8. Before submitting, meticulously proofread your resume for any typos or grammatical errors. A fresh pair of eyes can catch mistakes you might miss, so ask someone else to review it. Always save your completed resume as a PDF file to preserve its formatting across different devices. Finally, double-check that any links to your portfolio or LinkedIn profile are active and lead to the correct pages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.